Hey everybody, it's Allie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go over a few ideas for Father's Day. So these are just a few things that I came up with. Let's get started. Also, if you hear my babies in the background, they are here. The babies, they're here to join me. So anyways, a grooming kit, whether it's like trimmers, shavers, things like that, beard oils. So along with like the beard oils or trimmers, razors, shavers, things like that, shaving cream. One that I think you ladies will probably appreciate is a beard trimmer catcher. So it's almost like a bib and it has like suction cups at the end. You drape it over the sink and they attach it to the mirror. And that way when they're shaving, all the trimmings get caught in that instead of all over the bathroom. That I think is a really great idea. Pretty cool. The next idea I thought of is either like a whiskey or liquor tasting thing. I will try to leave a link to all of this down below, but they have different like boxes and crates where you can get different samples of different types of liquor, bourbon, whiskey, all that type of stuff. My husband actually does not drink, but I feel like lots of dads out there do enjoy their beers or their whiskeys, all those types of things. So that might be enjoyable for them. Okay, so another idea is just like workout gear, whether it's different workout shirts, shorts, sneakers, socks, things like that. Along with that is like dumbbells and that type of stuff. A really good one that, although I feel like it's probably hard to find now because everyone's trying to work out during these times, but those dumbbells that instead of having like a whole set, it's just a pair of dumbbells that you could adjust the weights on there. So I thought that's pretty cool. Just all different type of exercise stuff, whether it's actually like equipment, what are they called, like the machines for weights, or again like a Peloton, a treadmill, Nordictrack, the mirror, things like that. So workout stuff. Another idea that I thought about is something like Omaha Steaks. So I don't know about you guys, but I know that my husband likes his steaks. He's very picky with his steaks. He's very particular. He knows what's good and what's not. So some type of steak, either subscription or something along those lines where you get like good quality meat that they will enjoy. Along with that is maybe like a grilling set. Maybe if they're as particular with their steak and they like to grill, either get them a grill, a new grill. That's an idea. If not, different grilling accessories like the tools, different seasoning, different rubs and spices, things like that to go along with their steak. Although I don't know about you guys, but I feel like a good steak, all it needs is a little salt, pepper, and olive oil. Another idea that I thought was really good, and I actually did get this for my husband, not for Father's Day, but I forgot what for, but I got it for him, is an electric massager type thing. I will try to leave either a picture of it or, again, link will be down below. But it's basically like a massager that you just put around your shoulders and you can pull down with your hands, and it's just kind of wrapped around, and it has like the different pressures with like the balls to push down on your shoulders. It's really good for like your neck and shoulders, you're trapped, all of that type of stuff. But I thought that was really good and I got to use it also. Another idea is if they are into golfing, maybe different golfing accessories, a new set of clubs, balls, a glove, shoes, that type of stuff. If this father in particular is into like computer things or video games, anything like that, headphones is a good idea. Different like a mouse if they use the PC or anything like that. And I will try to leave specific like gaming type of things down below, that it's also, as far as headphones, will be good for like music and all of that type of stuff. So I guess higher quality computer gear. And of course, you know, the whole reason why they are a father is because of the babies. So speaking of babies, so don't forget to do something from the children. Different personalized things that they can use, either like a tool set with maybe their handprint like around the hammer or things like that. Obviously, like the whole picture frame, pictures I think are really great. I feel like especially now everything's digital. Oh, but with that, I will say a digital picture frame where you can go ahead That's my baby. Where you can go ahead and upload pictures onto this frame that they can keep like at their desk or in the office or just wherever you want. That's really good. So either a digital frame or just actual prints in frames of your husband or whomever. So pictures of the dad with the babies or the whole family, things like that. Can't forget about the pictures. Different personalized things, little arts and crafts type things that they can treasure and look back on. So yeah, just things from the children. Make sure it's from the heart. Show them that you appreciate them and make sure the day is special for them. But yeah, those are just a few little random gift ideas that I thought would be pretty useful for fathers that they might actually like, actually use, not just like a generic type of thing, although these may seem a little generic for some people, but I think these are things that fathers will actually use. So that's it. Let me know if you guys thought of anything. If I forgot any and I think of them, I will leave it down in the description box as well. Let me know what you guys are planning on getting for your dad, or if you're a father, what would you like to receive? Let me know. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Ring the bell for notifications and stay happy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You want to be in this one? Okay, come here. Here. We're going to ask the baby. Come. What do you want to get, Daddy? Birthday cake and clementines. Birthday cake and clementines. That's a good idea. Anything else? No. Just 2 presents. Okay, 2 presents. Birthday cakes and clementines. That sounds good. Oh, that's a good idea. Bake him a cake. He'll like that. Right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. So that's it for our Father's Day gift ideas. We hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Subscribe, ring the bell, stay happy, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.